In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Shopify and WooCommerce. We'll start in Shopify. Open your Shopify admin and look to the bottom left corner for Settings. Click that, then choose Payments. On the Payments page, find the section for Stripe, which may appear under third-party providers. Click Connect or Manage. You'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account. If you don't have one yet, follow the on-screen steps to create it and authorize the connection. Shopify will guide you through confirming the link so payments can flow directly to your Stripe account. Take a moment to review any prompts from Stripe. They're there to verify your business and make sure your payouts work as expected. When you're done, return to Shopify and confirm that Stripe now shows as active in your payment settings. That's it for Shopify. Your store is ready to accept card payments through Stripe. Next, let's connect Stripe to WooCommerce on WordPress. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search box, type WooCommerce Stripe Gateway. Click Install Now, then Activate. After activation, go to WooCommerce, select Settings, and open the Payments tab. Look for Stripe in the list and click Manage or Complete Setup. You'll see an option to connect an existing Stripe account or create a new one. Click Create or Connect an account and follow the prompts to authorize WooCommerce with Stripe. This secure flow links your store to Stripe without copying anything manually. If you're not using the built-in connector, you can set things up manually. In the Stripe plugin settings, you'll find fields for your publishable key, secret key, and a webhook URL. Grab these from your Stripe dashboard and paste them into the corresponding fields in WooCommerce. Double-check that you're using the correct mode, test keys for testing, live keys for real orders, and save your changes. Webhooks are important because they let WooCommerce know when payments succeed or fail, so make sure the URL is entered exactly as shown. Before you finish, it's a good idea to place a small test order using Stripe's test mode to confirm everything is working. Once you see successful payment notifications in both your store and Stripe, you're ready for live transactions. And remember, if you change anything later, return to your payment settings to review and save. That's all you need to connect Stripe to both Shopify and